I just decided to upgrade my mobile repairing course and I finally did that. Okay, so right now I offer certificate after you have completed the course. Wow, that's really cool. You understand? So you don't really have to be like, yeah, you need to go pay money somewhere, then learn this for 1 or 2 years. Yeah, you just pay a little amount, then I teach you online for 2 months. Then you get your certificate. After you get your certificate, you just have to try do some practicals on your own because you know already from the basics. Just the fact that I teach from the basics to the professional level of troubleshooting and how you can solve problems is enough. So after you have completed the course, which is in 2 months, then I will give you a certificate. So what you need to do from there, you buy your tools. And if you haven't been doing this, if you are still new, then you just buy your tools, then do some practicals, then open your workshop, then start working. So I decided to make this easy for everyone. You understand? So especially to you guys who follow me right here on YouTube, I'm really proud of you guys. You understand? So that's why I decided to make this course this way, because I know that most of you guys are still starting. And when you join the course, you'll learn everything from the basics. So if you check these right here, you will see that we have the topics of the class and the format of each topic. You understand? So you can see the theory PDF, then you can see theory and videos. So in this theory class, I teach everything in details. I send you notes step by step. It's not like I will just gather notes on one topic then send to you. No, I don't do that. I take things bit by bit in a way that you will do understand everything. So I send every headline, then we go through it together. Then if you have a question, then you just gonna put your hand up. Wow, then I will be like, okay man, so what is it you want to ask? So you ask a question, I answer. When I know that everyone is fully okay with that headline, then we move to the second one. You understand? And those in PDF format, I put in a lot of work in that. Every information that you will need will be in that format. And those that are theory and videos, we do the same note. Then I send you practical videos. I send you guide videos on what we were talking about so that you will be looking at what I was talking about. Meanwhile, I'm doing that on a PCB. You understand? So I will hold a PCB, then explain everything while you are seeing that. All PDF notes are available. All videos are available. You understand? So you can see the topics right here. And you see the last two classes which will be held on Zoom, because that will need really a practical something. That really need a practical class. You understand? So especially when you are learning how to read schematic diagram, you really need a practical type class. And I will need everyone who wants to learn schematic diagram to have his or her class on Zoom, because when we have this class on Zoom, it's like live class and a practical class. You understand? So I do things, then I ask you to do them. For example, if you are having a mobile schematic class on Zoom, then I'm just gonna show up one board, then tell you check on your schematic diagram, then tell me where I can jump this display signal, where I can jump this charging signal or this backlight signal. Then you will need to go into your computer. Meanwhile, we are in class, everyone is looking, you go into your computer, yeah, check on that, then you tell me that this is it. Then I will be like, yeah, okay. So when we go through all that, then I make sure that you fully understand everything. Then I'll be like, wow, you need your certificate. You understand? So when you get your certificate, everyone, when I introduce it to my other students who already registered and was like, yeah, wow, that's really cool. And I'm saying that, yeah, and I know that it's really cool. So if you are starting or you have been doing, then you feel like you really want to learn, then this is for you. If you are starting, you will learn everything, get your certificate, then try to do a few things, try to do a lot of practicals before you open your shop, because what I'm giving you right here is everything that you will ever want, and the rest that is love will be for you to experience, because experience do matters a lot. That is why I might be teaching you, then you are teaching me some things as well. Okay, so you can just message me using the number on the screen, or check my number in the video description or in the comment section. Thank you and see you soon.